Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're looking at a surprising truth that might just be sitting right there in your kitchen. We're talking about your stovetop, specifically the glass or ceramic ones. You know, we all have that everyday instinct when we see a dirty, smudged piece of glass, right? We immediately reach for the glass cleaner. But today, we're going to see why that perfectly natural instinct for cleaning your stove might actually ruin it forever. Okay, so let's dive into this knowledge gap. It seems completely logical, doesn't it? If a stovetop is literally made of glass, why exactly shouldn't we use standard window cleaners on it? You want a streak-free shine, the bottle says it's for glass, so you spray it right on. It's a completely understandable assumption, but as we're about to see from multiple appliance manufacturers and chemistry safety data, it is a massive mistake. This is a common household hack that has tripped up the absolute best of us. In fact, there was this article from Apartment Therapy that highlighted this exact issue. The author, who actually cleans for work and writes extensively about home care, assumed that because window cleaners give a streak-free shine to windows, they'd be perfect for glass stovetops. She even recommended it in an article about alternative uses for cleaning supplies. It wasn't until a reader, who also cleans for a living, reached out to correct her that the truth came out. It's totally counterintuitive, but using these standard glass cleaners on your cooktop is a total recipe for disaster.
Section 1. High stakes, voided warranties, and toxic gas.
Now, you really have to hear this explicit warning straight from the manufacturer. The Whirlpool Owner's Manual tells us in no uncertain terms to keep ammonia, which, by the way, is the primary active ingredient in many window cleaners, far, far away from the stove. They actually group ammonia in the exact same forbidden category as steel wool, abrasive powder cleaners, and rust remover. And here is where it hits your wallet. Breaking this rule doesn't just make your stove look bad, it completely voids the warranties for major brands. According to the GE electric cooktop warranty, they will 0% cover damage to the glass cooktop caused by the use of cleaners other than their recommended creams and pads. Whirlpool has a really similar clause, stating they will not pay for repairs to a ceramic glass cooktop if it hasn't been cared for as recommended in their guide. So one spray of the wrong bottle and you are entirely on your own for those repairs.
But what exactly is the ammonia doing to the glass? Well, it causes something called etching. We usually think of glass as this impenetrable, solid surface, but the ammonia in standard glass cleaners is so incredibly harsh that it actually physically etches and scars the surface of the glass cooktop. Over time, this makes your stovetop look permanently cloudy, scratched, and just incredibly susceptible to even more damage down the line.
But wait, it actually gets worse than just a scratched, warranty-voided stove. Let's say you spray an ammonia-based cleaner on your stovetop. You wipe it down, but you don't get every single microscopic drop perfectly dry. Later, you come back to make dinner and turn on a burner. By heating that residual ammonia, you're literally releasing toxic ammonia gas right into your kitchen air. You're cooking up noxious fumes, which is a massive safety hazard for you and your family. Absolutely not worth the risk.
Section 2. The chemistry of cleaning, ammonia versus citric acid.
Let's compare the two main approaches here. As we just learned, ammonia is highly harsh, abrasive to ceramic glass, causes physical etching, and creates toxic gas when heated. By contrast, citric acid is this gentle, natural compound that is remarkably mild, entirely safe for the glass surface, and most importantly, it is manufacturer approved for cutting right through that stubborn kitchen grease. To put this into perspective, we actually pulled the materials safety data sheet for Ceramibrite, which is the specific cleaner explicitly recommended by GE and their manuals. While standard glass cleaners rely on unsafe ammonia, the big secret to Ceramibrite's incredible cleaning power is really just a little bit of citric acid, less than 5% to be exact. It's just a simple acid-based cleanser. 2.0. That number is the exact pH level of the Ceramibrite cleaner according to that same safety data sheet. And this proves something fascinating. You absolutely don't need highly abrasive alkaline chemicals like ammonia or bleach to get a clean kitchen. A simple liquid cleanser with a low, acidic pH easily tackles tough, burnt-on grease without the extreme harshness that ruins your appliances. Section 3. The ultimate solution. Safe tools and manufacturer-approved methods. So what should we be reaching for instead? Well, for your mild everyday cleaning, stick to gentle, natural cleaners like vinegar and baking soda. If you need something a bit stronger, buy a dedicated ceramic and induction-hob cleaner. Brands like Bosch sell their own specially formulated cleaners, and GE recommends Ceramibrite. And for that really tough burnt-on grime, Forget the harsh scrubbing pads. You actually want to use a metal razor scraper. Yes, you heard that right. Let's walk through how this builds into a foolproof 3-step routine derived directly from the official manuals of brands like Bosch and LG. Step 1, always start by removing the large crusty deposits with your metal glass scraper. Step 2, apply your approved citric acid-based cleaner and allow it to penetrate the remaining grease. And Step 3, simply wipe it clean with a soft cloth. It's incredibly effective and completely safe for your stove.
Now, I know a lot of people are totally terrified to take a metal razor scraper to a glass stove thinking it's going to scratch it up. But the safety precautions in the LG Electric Induction Range Manual explicitly tell you to use a proper metal scraper to clean up spills. Why? Because if you try to use a wet sponge or a cloth to wipe up a spill while the cooking area is still hot, the moisture will instantly vaporize, and that can cause severe steam burns to your hands. A metal scraper with a handle keeps your hands safely away from the heat while removing the burnt food before it bakes on permanently. So it isn't just safe for the glass, it's actually much safer for you.
So as we've seen, our natural instinct to use glass cleaner on a glass stove is actually a really costly and potentially toxic mistake. The next time you reach for a household cleaning spray to tackle a kitchen mess, will you check the active ingredients before you accidentally void your warranty? Keep that ammonia away from the stove, grab some citric acid and a trusty metal scraper, and keep your kitchen safe, sparkling, and under warranty. Thanks for joining me for this explainer.